guys, this is from Mama's Audi, and also this too. And this Barbie, you know, from where my tata, he gave me. So, let's unbox all. The bubbles, maybe we can unbox later, but this one, let's unbox!
Yay!
Yeah!
What is that?
It is a Barbie. It's like a shake Barbie. I don't know, but let's try and see what to open. Oh, I opened it. It's open. Oh no, they still have tape. I didn't see. Yeah, this is kind of hard.
Maybe need scissor?
Can you help?
Okay. Can you get the scissor there, please?
Okay, guys. The first layer. Tada, this is the full shake.
Wow.
Delicious! And I know they have one straw. But oh no, how can we open it? We sure need the straw. How can we drink the juice? Wow! We need the straw.
Wait. Need to cut also.
Nanay, please.
But open this one plate first.
No, you need to pop it, then you will get it.
How pop it?
You need to use the straw. So, you need to open the straw, but I
Okay,
don't know
gimme.
how. Here you go, Nanay, please help. It's behind here.
Okay, right.
Did you open it, Nanay?
Another.
Oh, no need.
Okay.
And this is the straw. We need to poke it. 3, 2, 1, poke. Eat. Oh. See,
Then
guys?
need to drink this?
No. This is cute slime. Jiggly now. Maybe we can open it. Wow.
Oh, coming out backside.
Uh-oh.
Yan. Later. Yeah, you make like this first.
Jiggly. Guys, the slime is later too sticky. And this is the reveal. Oh, ta-da, the Barbie. And the mystery stuff. Ooh, mystery. And what is the selector for? Ta-da. Look what they show here. Our Barbie when they come out. And look what Barbies they have. You know what I'm hoping? I'm hoping for this cute little pink girl. And let's see. Oh, she's pink. Let's see if we can open it. She has even a straw. And I saw on YouTube they pop it. They pop it instead of opening.
Oh, nice.
Roller skates. Beautiful jiggle drink. And
Let's open.
And first open the tiny, the last one I'll save for big. Ooh. What's in here? Yeah. Ooh, I'm excited. What's in here? Nina got, oh, super cute. It's a cute, adorable puppy. So adorable. It's even sticky too. Let's see what is in this area. Wow, amazing. Let's see. Oh my. This is super hard, but I don't worry, I can open it. The cube was fun, but we need to check what it is.
Wow.
Oy. Oh no.
What is that?
The doggy fell. Oh no, but it's super squishy. And this is a floaty. Guys, this is now the reveal is for the Barbie. Oh no,
Let's see,
guys, this is super hard. No. It's okay because we found the opening reveal. Let's see. Wow, the Barbie I was hoping for. Pinky. Wow, and I never seen this Barbie before. It's kind of cool. I never seen it, and her feet are super cool. And tada, this is the Barbie girl. And do they have anything? Oh, they don't have nothing. Oh, guys, they have pants, and do they have anything else? Nope. But they do have pants. Tada, the cute pants.
Okay, wear it.
Oh, the Barbie sweets are beautiful. Okay, now she will wear her beautiful pants. And Let's take it. Oh, dragging. And guys, do you want to see? I don't off the video. Okay, we'll see the slime. Okay, this is the outfit for the Barbie. And these are her hands.
Wearing the shoes.
She's super happy and I like her makeup. And look, I think we need water. Wow.
Why?
Because look, do you not see little? They have some tiny coming out there. So we need water. And her feet are so amazing. I've never seen a Barbie like this with these beautiful feet.
Show the Barbie feet.
She can roller skate. Wow, she can roller skate too. Amazing. With the first shoe in. Beautiful. The second shoe. Yeah, she's a roller skater.
She have a long hair.
Yeah,
Nice.
she has so much long hair. Pinky hair.
See, pinky hair.
Someone hold the Barbie.
And soft.
And the Barbie is super beautiful.
Where's the another Barbie, that monkey before?
I don't know. It must be in one toy box. This Barbie is kinda cool. And guys, don't tell Nana to not off the video because we're gonna see the slime. And tada, this is her with her roller skates and also her drink, her delicious drink. He's loving. She likes it, and this doggy, I don't know what to do with it, but it looks cute. And the floaty.
What writing in the ano? The paper.
The paper? And guys, are you excited for the slime?
Now open the slime. What's showing here? Open. Do it. Ah, wrong ate. You see? You need to... what is this? Ayan. You need to keep here. Then open. Then make like this, the straw. And see? Fall down inside.
Guys, look, actually, we're wrong. But we don't worry. We can still fix it. Don't be
What
sad.
is that? We need to put what?
Guys, hurry up. Let's go.
What will be happen?
They have something magical.
Ah, maybe the another one also have the before Barbie.
Yeah, the another one I have, but nothing I see. So maybe this one good. They have. You see,
Ano
they
ba
have.
kang sabi
Get
din?
water, guys. Let's get water and keep. And let's see.
Bakit na rin nagkaroon ng ano dun sa tabi?
Oh my. Guys, this is kind of hard, but we need to do it. Yes! Slime is coming out! Goop, 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 goop. Guys, do you not see the reveal? Oh, the slime came out! Let's see the slime. Oh, guys, oh no.
Ay,
This is super cool. Guys,
ew.
ew, but beautiful. Wow. Pink slime. Guys, this is fun.
What is this?
Ah, the cup is getting stuck.
Yeah, coming.
Yikes.
Shihala.
This is fun too.
Maybe fall down in the floor.
Oh.
I don't want this.
Yeah.
My finger have. Oh.
Somebody catch it.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, yeah. What's showing here is like you keep inside. Then this one can close.
God, this is super fun. Too much slime.
What is this, ate?
They show that
This.
What? Show me. Oh, it shows that the Barbie has a color reveal. So, Nana, you need to get water, please.
It's like full Barbie you will put in the water?
No, the face.
Face only? We will put water in the face?
Yeah, but Nana, can you please find the cup for me because I have a good idea with the cup.
Oh, I check. I think
The
it's...
cover I need.
Huh. Okay, now we will get a water to keep on the Barbie
The
chicks.
Over here.
Okay, put little water here. Little only.
Guys, the slime is fun too. Guys, if any of you got these Barbies, comment down below which color did you get? Pink, or did you get purple or blue or strawberry color? The water, we just need to keep little on her face. Nanay, please, can you hold? We have no more.
Ay, okay. Oh, let's see. You will keep water on the
her
cheeks.
The cheek is here. Show me.
More.
Still more? Turn the face and show me so we can add to her cheeks. Yan. Guys, it's little coming out. I don't know when non-stop.
Nasaan ka?
Guys, the reveal is gonna...
No, don't put, just put in the finger. Huh? Oh, press. No, it's like scrub.
I don't know if it is not real.
Wait,
or
we will
not.
check. Wait.
Okay guys, this is my new toy and this is my new baby stroller. And you know, the video we did, it was fake. I know they had a tiny strawberry in here. You see, right? But it's not coming out. I don't know why. Maybe next video we will do this one. And hope you subscribe, like, and share the little bell. If one of you have this, let me serious see your videos and tell. If you really have this mark, just tell me, okay? Then I will check and buy a new one, and if I buy two, I will send to one of you, whoever wants it. Just message us in the YouTube and tell, please, can you give us one? Then I will give you one, okay? Especially my friend in school. If you really want this one, just tell me, okay? Bye. See you in the next video. Mwah, mwah.